Leetcode Daily Challenge. It is a medium problem today, 1625 lexicographically smallest string after applying operations. Unfortunately, I didn't find a better pattern for this problem, but I have to go with brute force. Since we can do this operation A and B multiple times, there are gonna be multiple possible answers. If we can go through them one by one, we can definitely find out the smallest one among them. That is why it is a brute force. Imagine this case, start from S. If we do a operation A or operation B, then for each of them, we can keep doing this for the same way. Which means in this case, we can go with DFS to go through all the possible answers in this process. But during the process, there's two things we can do. One is set a flag, say sin. Use this list flag. We monitor which one we have visited, and we can pass it if it reappear again. Next, we can use a queue to follow all these possible answers for DFS. So first, it is a brute force. Second, we're gonna use DFS. Third, we use this sim for flag to monitor. Fourth, we use this queue to save all the records.